everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really special for sale. We're gonna do a review video on the 2005 Honda S2000. Beautiful car, only 140,000 miles. It's a convertible, soft top with a 6-speed manual transmission. Beautiful car. Look how you can start it. Let me put the radio low. So you can open the ignition, hold the clutch, and press the button here. Really sport car, has audio control, has a volume over here, has a mirror, power mirrors, like manual locks, cruise control as well. 141,000 miles, no lights on. Beautiful car, really nice. Has a lower spring, also has a downpipe. Can you just go to the exhaust and hear the exhaust? Super loud. Let me try to open the soft top. You have to release this handle, hold the button over here. Nice. Red interior, aftermarket radio. Look at that. Super nice. It's a 2005 and it is really good. To open the trunk, you have to open this one over here. There's a button here. This is how you open the trunk. And the gas cap is right here. Try to see the video to try to find it. This car takes premium. Of course, it's a sport car. Look at that. Nice LED light. Enough trunk for this two-door car, convertible. Look at the wheels. Super beautiful wheels, chrome wheels. Tires are really nice, look like a track tires. Super good interior, red, very nice. This one drives beautiful. Let me try to open so you can see. And we're gonna try to do a test drive. Couple minutes just to take a spin so we can see it. Look at the engine, really nice. This one I think is a carbon fiber. Massive engine, a lot of space over here. Alright, so right now we're gonna try to take it for a ride. So the radio, even if it's aftermarket, they already connected with the buttons over here, so they work. Alright, now we're gonna try to do a short test drive. This car is lowered, as I mentioned. Straight pipe, short gears. Really nice. Third gear. Even I have like 6 gears. This one is really good. It has this wide mirror over here that helps. The phone holder here. So somebody probably spent some money just to make it look good. We're just gonna do a quick drive on the block. Maybe go straight over here. A lot of traffic. So the clutch, it is very nice. Sounds really nice. Also has a clean title. Everybody probably gonna ask for it, so it's a clean title. I drove it with the top off. That's really good, but it's so loud when we do the video. But we drove cruising around the town. That was really fun because everybody was like looking. It's not an everyday car. This is like a unique car, like you don't see it every day. It's just a car that really somebody know the value of it. It's gonna be with a really good price. We're gonna price it at 19,999, so almost 20,000. We don't charge documentation fees or the other fees. If you want help with registration, we can help you. If you want to finance it, let me do a nice pull over here. So quick. Honda is a Honda. They're known for like short gears, driving too fast, too quick. So now let's go head up to the shop. I don't want to go on highway because it's late now and we probably gonna close. So we have cars coming in like almost every day for sale. Don't hesitate to go to our Facebook page. So we post everything there. Alright, so here's everything about this car. It's gonna be really quick sale. I know that everybody's looking for those cars. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we post almost every day. Go to our YouTube channel and go to our Facebook page. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye bye.